The case of Sudiksha Konanki is one that doesn't sit right with me. She went on spring break with her friends in the Dominican Republic, and remains missing to this day. Sudiksha was last seen with a man, Joshua Riibe. She met shortly before heading to the beach. They were kissing and talking in the water, when a big wave hit and they were pulled in. He tried to save Sudiksha, and the last he remembers she was walking at an angle out of knee-deep water. What is interesting is that he says he passed out on the beach after that, and was woken up by the glaring sun and mosquito bites. Joshua refused to answer a number of important questions early on in the case, stating that he is following the advice of his lawyers. Initially, her parents were convinced that foul play was involved, and then made a massive turnaround, stating that they want her declared legally dead, and they want Joshua to get his passport back, so that he can return home. They even hugged Joshua goodbye and said thank you to him for saving their daughter the first time. It is all very shocking. Well, the latest in the case is even more shocking. A Dominican Republic judge has now decided to officially close the case against Joshua Riibe. Joshua had been detained by Dominican police following Sudiksha's disappearance, but Judge Riibe ordered Joshua's release, citing unlawful detention that exceeded the maximum period of 48 hours permitted under the Constitution of the Dominican Republic and the Dominican Code of Criminal Procedure. According to these provisions, the public prosecutor's office is required to file formal charges within 48 hours following an arrest or detention. We know that they didn't file any charges, so basically it's now being ruled that it was an unlawful detention, and the case against him is officially closed. My mind is running wild. Closing this case without even finding her body first is shocking. Many are suggesting some people want this case to disappear, watching closely what will happen next. Will they declare Sudiksha deceased after just weeks? Can they reopen her case if her body is found, and there are signs of foul play? According to Joshua, he last saw her walking out of the water. What if she was taken? Why are people just giving up on this case?